Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that line 1 passes through a point 2, -5, and there is a very important clue for the second line, which is that the gradient of this line 1 is equal to the gradient of another line, line 2, with this equation. Oh. So from the equation, right, remember, if we can express it in the form of y equals to mx plus c somehow, then this coefficient of x, which is the number or the value in front of x, represents gradient. And of course, for completeness, this letter C, the number here represents the y-intercept. So I am going to, for part A, going to do some algebraic manipulation for this 3x minus 7y plus 6 equals to 0. I'm going to try and get into this form. So then I can compare the number in front of x. So I will have negative 7y equals to, I'm going to minus 3x on both sides of the equation and minus 6. So that you will see the next line will be negative 3x, negative 6. And after which I'm going to divide by negative 7 on both sides, so that all the terms have to divide by negative 7, and I will get this form. Negative 3 over negative 7 is 3 over 7x. Negative and negative will become positive, and from here I will be able to get the gradient of line 2, which is the gradient of line 1. So for part A, right, I have successfully gotten the answer for part A. I'm going to write it at the side. So the gradient of line 2, which is equals to the gradient of line 1, is 3 over 7. And for part B, since I know the gradient and one of the point, all I have to do is to substitute into this general equation for equation of a line, where I would then have my x1, y1. x1, y1 is the value here, and my gradient here. So y minus negative 5 equals to 3 over 7 x minus 2. I would have, when I minus a negative number, it is the same as adding the number. And from here, I expand and simplify by multiplying it. 6 over 7. And finally, y will be equals to 3 over 7x. I'm going to minus 5 on both sides, so that you will see this working. And final answer, do take note, negative 6 over 7 minus 5, this will give me a value of negative 41 over 7. And that will be the answer for part B. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.